Hi guys! In today's video, I am showing you how to reply to a comment with a video on TikTok. The process is straightforward and effortless. The only thing you have to do is open your TikTok application. After it opens, find that comment in which you want to reply with the video. Just for example, I will find a comment in this video and I will reply with the video. So I am tapping on this comment icon. So here are a lot of comments, and you can see I cannot comment a video directly in the comment section because we can only post a video when we will reply to a comment. So that's why I am tapping on the option reply. Now here you can see the video icon just next to this typing section. So tap on this option video and you can see the same name to which you are replying. And now record your video by tapping on this record button. After recording, tap on this tick icon, which is on the bottom right. And tap on this option next. And you can see the same in description replying to that girl. And also I need to tap on this option post. Then I will reply to that comment with the video. And also this video will be posted on my TikTok profile. So it's the fundamental way by which you can reply to someone with a video on TikTok.